In triangle ABC, angle A is 45 degrees, angle B is 65 degrees, and side A is 12 centimeters. We're asked to calculate the length of side B. Well, the first thing we're going to do is to draw a triangle. Let's label these vertices A, B, and C. We're told that angle A is 45 degrees. We're told angle B is 65 degrees. And we know that side A is 12 centimeters. And side A is the one that's opposite angle A. So this here is 12 centimeters. We have to calculate the length of side B, and side B is opposite angle B. So this is side B here. So what we have here is A over sine A is B over sine B. That's the sine rule. So let's write that down. We've got 12. That's over sine of 45 is equal to B, and B is what we're trying to find. And that is over sine of the angle opposite it, which is 65. We can now rearrange this to find B. So B is equal to 12 sine of 65. And that is over sine of 45. So now we can bring in the calculator and enter in these values. Well, the first thing we do have is a fraction. We've got 12 sine of 65 is over sine of 45. So length B is 15.4 centimeters, and that is to 3 significant figures. If you found this video useful, then head on over to my website, link below, where you'll find a full course on trigonometry. In the course, I cover sine, cosine, and tangent ratios, as well as the sine rule, the cosine rule, and solving trigonometric equations. I've left a full link to the course in the description below.